Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Are you ready to unleash your inner artist and draw something festive? We're going to draw the one and only Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Ready to draw with me? Let's hope you brought your creativity. Let's start by drawing a big oval at the lower part of the page. On top of the nose, let's add 2 big eyes. On each side of the nose, we will draw 2 legs, as if Rudolph is trying to pull itself up to see what we're about to create. Did you know Rudolph was created in 1939 as part of a story written by Robert L. May? He was initially part of a holiday marketing campaign for Montgomery Ward, making him one of the most famous fictional reindeer. Let's begin by outlining the shape of its head. Start by drawing a semicircle above the eyes. Next, add some hair on top of the head to give it more character and personality. Let's draw 2 big ears each side of the head. Begin by drawing a vertical line to represent the main stem of the antlers. This line should be slightly curved to give it a natural look. As we curve back to return to the starting point, draw wavy lines that branch out in opposite directions. These will form the antlers. You can make them slightly wavy to mimic a natural shape. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Rudolph is famous for his bright, shiny red nose that lights up the night. It helps guide Santa's sleigh through foggy weather, making sure he delivers presents to children all over the world. Great progress, well done. I am very proud of you. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.